Good afternoon. In front of you is Domenicos Theotokopoulos, often called El Greco. I am a painter, sculptor, and an architect of the Spanish Renaissance. I was born in Crete, which was before part of the Republic of Venice, and the center of post-Byzantine art in 1541. I am trained and became a master in that tradition way before I traveled from Greece to Venice. Um, as other Greek artists did. In 1570, I moved to Rome. And I opened workshops there and managed series of works. There I practiced and enriched my skills and talents with the elements of Mannerism and Venetian Renaissance. In 1577, I moved to Toledo, Spain, where I worked there and lived there. In Toledo, Spain, I received several major commissions and produced my best paintings entitled The Last Supper, The Burial of the Count of Orgaz, and uh, and uh, uh, and many more. My dramatic and expressionistic style was met by puzzlement with my contemporaries. Humbly I say to you that I am regarded as the precursor of Expressionism and Cubism. I chose El Greco because of his contributions in the Renaissance art, and because of his because he is dedicated to God. Because in his every painting, he offered all of them to God. And me, Lou Adrian Esteban Rafalan, I also offer my works and deeds to God.
Yes.
What about your costume? Very nice costume.
My costume is made of cloth paper.
Cloth.
And paper.
Just kidding. Cloth and paper. And chipboard.
Very good.
Thank you.
Who made those? Who made those paper?
Myself.
Okay.
Yes.
Have a photo taken with El Greco.
Sir, are you proud of me?
You will see that in your grave.
Thank you.
Have a photo taken with the Baldwin.
Ay, shit, na-post ko.
Miss Fontana, after